session, Excel hand dryers, smarter, greener, cleaner, or smarter, cleaner, greener, will be presented by Jeff Himsel, the Senior Business Development Manager for Excel Dryer. Jeff, over to you.
Great. Thanks so much, Lori. Gonna get started here. Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here today. My name is Jeff Himsel. I am a Senior Business Development Manager for Excel Dryer, covering the Western United States, based here in my home office where I'm broadcasting from today in Highland, Illinois, just outside the city of St. Louis. So we really appreciate you being here and your willingness to learn more about our company and our full line of touchless hygienic hand drying solutions. For facilities wanting to save time, money, and to be more sustainable and have a cleaner and better restroom experience for your guests and employees alike, we're going to be covering some really good information, which I think you're going to find very valuable. So with that, let's get started. And we're going to start today's presentation with a video. And as you can see from your screen, we're going to get you guys fired up and ready to go. So this video definitely plays best at maximum volume. So wherever you might be right now, I want you guys to turn the volume up to 11 and get ready to rock.
The Accelerator is the original, patented, high-speed, energy-efficient hand dryer. It is the #1 selling hand dryer and continues to set the standard in the industry. With more than 5,000 distributors globally, Accelerator is used by facilities around the world to save time, money, and the environment. Excel Dryer is a family-run company that prides itself on manufacturing the only hand dryers that are made in USA certified, as well as achieving many industry-first awards and certifications. Our expanded and enhanced product line delivers the latest state-of-the-art technology for maximum hygiene and sustainability. Isn't it time for you to throw in the towel?
All right, guys. You guys ready to learn about some hand dryers? Let's go. So most people are familiar with the Accelerator hand dryer, the one you see on the left there. It's the #1 selling dryer in America. It's a touchless, hygienic way to dry hands. The Accelerator is going to dry your hands completely in as little as 8 seconds, and it represents a 95% cost savings when compared to paper towels by eliminating the labor, the maintenance, and the waste whilst creating a more hygienic restroom environment. The Accelerator hand dryer can be ordered with an optional electrostatic HEPA filtration system, or also known as eHEPA, which has been proven to remove 99.999% of anything in the airstream down to 0.3 microns. The Accelerator Eco hand dryer is the same product, except it doesn't have a heating element in it and is proven to dry hands in as little as 10 seconds using only 500 watts of power, making it the most energy efficient and environmentally friendly hand dryer on the planet. The Thin Air hand dryer is a high efficiency model that is surface mounted and ADA compliant. It has a lower price point than the Accelerator, and it includes all the same options and features, which I'll discuss a little more in depth shortly. The newest product in our lineup is the Accelerator Sync hand dryer, distributed exclusively in the US by the D13 group. The D13 Sync system, featuring the new Accelerator Sync hand dryer, is the future of commercial restroom design and is the most hygienic and sustainable and cost-effective way to wash and dry hands. A masterpiece of form and function, The sink seamlessly fuses touchless, high-efficiency fixtures on the sink deck while allowing you to wash, rinse, and dry your hands all in one place. All Excel hand dryers have adjustable speed and sound, as well as sensor range. Adjustments are easy to make in the field by removing a tamper-proof screws and the cover on the dryer, which allows you access to the dials inside and allows you to adjust them either up or down accordingly. Why is this feature important? Well, for facilities that don't have doors, such as stadiums, airports, and some schools that have those open entryways, sound can be an issue. So for restrooms that have counters or waste bins under the dryer, the sensor range may need to be adjusted to enhance performance. Are you looking to save some energy? Well, apart from the Eco, which doesn't have a heating element, all the other dryers do have adjustable heat, and the heat can be turned either up or down as well. By the nozzle, there is an externally visible LED service light. If you think in terms of Morse code, which it can blink a different code depending on what might be going on with the dryer. And there's a troubleshooting guide on our website at www.exceldryer.com that can help people in the field address any potential maintenance issues. Furthermore, you can always call our customer service department and work with our very talented customer service team on any unlikely issues that may happen. We also do have optional HEPA filtration, again, proven to remove 99.999% of anything in the airstream down to 0.3 microns. Cover options include brushed stainless steel, chrome, textured graphite, white bulk molding compound, which is a very high, rugged polymer that's basically akin to a plastic but very heavy duty. We have painted zinc, special colors, and custom images. When it comes to custom images, think in terms of logos, green messaging, special artwork. Really, any high-res image can be turned into a cover on the dryer. Lastly, we have wall guards to help keep surfaces under the dryer clean. We also have exchanger combo kits if you want to replace the trash bin with a hand dryer. So you think about those recessed boxes in the wall that have a paper towel dispenser with a bin right underneath it. Those can come out. We have a box that goes in. So it's really perfect for retrofits. Excel Dryer has received many certifications on our products that help facilities who are trying to meet health and sustainability goals. For example, PCRs, EPDs. We're very proud of the fact that our dryers are built at our factory in Massachusetts, which allows us to have the Made in USA certification, as well as HPDs. On the topic of hygiene, I'd like to talk with you guys a little bit about a recent global survey that was conducted by Metrics Labs to better understand the current mindset of key stakeholders towards public restrooms and how attitudes have changed over time. In this case, key stakeholders include architects, restaurant owners and operators, facility managers, and customers. So we've got another video that's going to kind of highlight the key findings from the Metrics Lab survey.
The pandemic changed the world forever. While masks and social distancing may be less of a concern today, proper hand washing remains as important as ever. In fact, 75% of U.S. consumers wash their hands up to 10 times a day, a significant increase over pre-pandemic levels. That's why Excel partnered with Metrics Lab, a renowned consumer insight and market research firm, to conduct a comprehensive, first-of-its-kind global survey, Post-Pandemic Perceptions of Commercial Restrooms. The survey engaged more than 4,000 participants globally across 4 key groups: architects and design professionals, facility managers, restaurant owners, and consumers. Across the board, regardless of who you are or where you live, the results were very clear. The number one concern across all demographics and locations is cleanliness and hygiene. 100% agree. A dirty restroom reflects poorly on the establishment. In fact, 80% of those surveyed said they would not or might not return to a restaurant with a dirty restroom. What did people say when asked what makes a restroom dirty? The number one contributing factor to a dirty restroom is paper towels on the floor or overflowing trash cans. Make the change from paper towels today and install Accelerator hand dryers.
Pretty compelling stuff. I'm sure you'll agree. Not only do hand dryers keep restrooms cleaner by removing paper towels, but they also can help reduce waste. A new life cycle assessment done in 2024 will help illustrate that. So this life cycle assessment is comparing different kinds of dryers to different methods of paper towels. And by that, I mean both recycled paper towels and virgin paper towels. And I think, again, you can see that the results are pretty clear. So a recent comparative life cycle assessment of hand dryers versus paper towels found that dryers reduce a carbon footprint by up to 94% compared to even 100% recycled paper towels. Beyond just the carbon footprint reduction, hand dryers outperform paper towels in several key environmental impact categories of the comparative LCA of hand dryers versus paper towels, including eutrophication, acidification, smog formation, ozone depletion, fossil fuel use, reducing carcinogens and ecotoxicity, and reducing water consumption. I would like to, at this point, invite you to check out our online cost calculator, which will highlight the different cost and environmental savings by using your own numbers. And again, you can visit our website at www.exceldryer.com for more information. Given our integrated sink system is one of our newer products and new to many consumers in general, I wanted to take a few minutes to focus on the benefits. Perfect for high-end, high-traffic areas, guests are sure to enjoy a full, touchless experience. And of course, facilities are going to appreciate the fact that there's less water on the floor. Commercial facilities are targets for slip and fall litigation. While it doesn't happen often, it can happen. So consider taking the steps for a more hygienic and safer restroom. The added benefit, of course, is that fixtures, finishes, and surfaces are all customizable to improve the aesthetic of any restroom. And here you'll see several different examples of some installations and some different diagrams, and just kind of showing you the different customization options and what a typical installation might look like. We've got another video, and we're going to really dig into the Accelerator sink hand dryer and kind of show how that system all works.
The Accelerator sink hand dryer is the future of hygienic and sustainable restroom design. To develop the Accelerator sink, Dryer enlisted the expertise of a global design leader to craft a next-generation hand-drying solution, fusing state-of-the-art innovation with high-end design. Focused on user experience, the fixture design features reverse airflow technology that keeps the water and air in the sink and off the user and countertops. It comes fully equipped with our electrostatic HEPA filtration system, proven to remove 99.999% of viruses from the airstream. Other features include a patent-pending sound suppression system, adjustable speed, heat, and sound controls, and an LED service indicator to streamline maintenance. The Accelerator sink creates a cleaner restroom environment and delivers a major savings compared to paper towels, eliminating the labor, maintenance, and waste associated with using paper. It helps facilities qualify for several LEED credits, Green Globes, WELL, and other certifications to achieve corporate and government sustainability, health, and wellness goals. As its most cutting-edge feature, Accelerator Sink seamlessly joins the faucet and soap dispenser on the D13 sink system, allowing users to wash, rinse, and dry hands all in one place. This creates the ultimate user experience while delivering the most hygienic, sustainable, and cost-effective way to achieve completely touchless, proper hand hygiene. The D13 sink system is a masterpiece of form and function. It is adaptable to any size, shape, or material and available with any brand of soap and faucet fixture. Architects and designers love the sleek elegance of the Accelerator sink, as well as the customizable design options, which serve their unique vision and give them freedom to completely transform the look and feel of both classic and modern restroom environments. The D13 sink system, featuring the Accelerator sink hand dryer, combines high-level intuitive design and unparalleled user experience to completely change the paradigm, once again putting Excel Dryer on the forefront of restroom technology.
So as we get near the end of our presentation, we're going to close with a case study, which is going to highlight the D13 integrated sink system. In this case, it's the Mass Mutual Seaport building in Boston. This project is a great example of introducing a new technology to the restroom to enhance design, as well as give their guests a much better restroom experience.
With its faceted glass exterior and panoramic harbor views, a new headquarters for a leading Massachusetts company is a spectacular addition to the Fan Pier neighborhood in the city's famous seaport. Designed by Elkis Manfredi Architects and developed in partnership with the Fallon Company, the 17-story, 310,000 square foot building is a model in green technology. It is LEED Platinum certified, and its use of natural resources is 70% less than the regional office building average. The commitment to sustainability, user experience, and forward-thinking technology extends to every part of the building. To complement the building's leading-edge aesthetic and sensibility, architects and designers collaborated with the D13 Group to install 120 integrated sink systems in their restrooms. In addition to their state-of-the-art features and amenities, all restrooms are single occupancy and gender neutral, promoting maximum safety, comfort, and social distancing.
When you talk about the overall design of a building, the restroom in the past has been an afterthought. Not anymore. Our goal at D13 is to provide a user-friendly, innovative system that people feel comfortable with and going into use. They want to go use it because everything's right there. Everything's right there at the sink. The integrated sink system wouldn't be integrated if it didn't have all the parts. And the main component that wasn't there to begin with was the hand dryer. The next evolution of the sink was to bring the touchless wall-mounted dryer off the wall to the deck, meaning behind the sink with the other fixtures. So the way that D13 did that is to have a great partner. Excel Dryer is a wonderful partner, and their design of the Accelerator sink hand dryer is paramount to what we do.
Designed in collaboration with Excel Dryer and a world-renowned design firm, the dryer's reverse airflow design blows air and water flow away from the user, promoting hygiene and enhancing the restroom experience. Additional dryer features include adjustable sound, speed, and heat controls, LED illumination, and a HEPA filtration system proven to remove 99.999% of viruses from the airstream. The systems for this project employ quartz countertops, solid surface basin sinks with integrated pivot drain covers, and architectural-grade plumbing enclosures. But the D13 sink system offers flexible design options to complement any material or design, from traditional to contemporary.
Like Elkis Manfredi, we thrive on being a collaborative company, both with our employees and with our customers and clients.
D13 is more than a supplier. We are a design assist partner working directly with owners, architects, designers, and the trades to create the most sustainable, efficient, luxurious restroom experience on the planet.
Okay, well, thank you very much, everyone, for your time and attention today. That does conclude the presentation. I do believe we have some time for a Q&A, so I'll turn that back over to you, Lori. Happy to answer any questions y'all might have.
Okay, thanks, Jeff. I think there was a question, but it may have been answered early on. But just to confirm, is it 120V or batteries? I believe that was just to confirm that from the presentation.
Gotcha. No, that's a great question. We do have our dryers, all of our dryers for that matter, are available in 2 different voltages. We have a low voltage option, which operates from 110 to 120 volts. We also have a high voltage option, which operates from 208 to 277 volts. So 2 different options available on all of our dryers. Unfortunately, we do not have a battery operated dryer yet. I don't know that a battery operated dryer even exists and is available on the market yet. But I wouldn't be surprised if with the advancements in battery technology that we see something coming out before too long.
Okay, great, thanks. And just to stay on track for our next presentation, if you have any additional questions for Jeff, he can talk with you offline post-event. But before we go to the next session, Jeff, did you have any final thoughts for the audience?
No, I just wanted to say thanks again for having us. We're very happy to be here with you. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit today about dryers in general, and I definitely encourage you to reach out with any questions. My contact information is there. My mobile number is that 773 number. I'm always available by email, and I'm always available on LinkedIn as well. I believe I'm the only Jeff Himsel on LinkedIn, so feel free to reach out.